If you don't know how to say it, just start. You. This is a play area match. Play area match. You get one more ball and finish one ball. Whoa! He's very tall, but the ball he's very tall like this. He's very tall like this. I'm playing.